Welcome to USA Market, introducing the world of microscopic exploration with the top 5 best LCD digital microscopes. In the realm of scientific discovery, education, and hobbyist pursuits, these cutting-edge instruments combine the power of digital imaging with the convenience of LCD displays, revolutionizing the way we observe the tiniest details of our world. Whether you are a seasoned researcher, an inquisitive student, or a curious enthusiast, these microscopes offer unparalleled clarity, versatility, and ease of use. Join us on a journey to explore the features and capabilities that make these LCD digital microscopes stand out from the rest, opening new dimensions in the fascinating realm of microscopy. Number 5. Aliexpress EDM12 Digital Microscope. The EDM12 boasts a sturdy construction with an aluminium alloy body that ensures durability and longevity. The monocular draw tube provides a comfortable viewing experience, and the inclusion of an aluminium alloy stand and base adds stability during operation. The sleek design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, contributing to its handheld and portable nature. Equipped with a 10-inch LCD screen display, the EDM12 delivers high-definition imaging, allowing users to explore the microscopic world with exceptional clarity. The 500x to 1500x magnification ratio provides a wide range of magnification options, making it suitable for various tasks, from intricate soldering to detailed quality inspections. The inclusion of a wireless remote control adds a layer of convenience to the user experience. This feature allows users to control the microscope without disturbing their work, making it easier to capture images or adjust settings effortlessly. Number 4. Aliexpress ERM101 Digital Microscope. The ERM101 is constructed with a durable aluminium alloy, giving it a robust and premium feel. The monocular draw tube is well designed, providing a comfortable and ergonomic viewing experience. The attention to detail in the build ensures longevity, making it suitable for various applications. Equipped with a powerful magnification range of 1500x to 3000x, the ERM101 allows for detailed examination of specimens. The 1600 maximum magnification delivers crisp and clear images, making it ideal for tasks that require precision and accuracy. The LED light source of the microscope ensures bright and uniform illumination, illuminating the subject with clarity. The real angle of view at 120 degrees enhances visibility, providing a comprehensive perspective of the specimen under observation. The LED lighting also contributes to energy efficiency. Number 3. Aliexpress SPTV Digital Microscope. Crafted from sturdy metal, the Aliexpress SPTV Digital Microscope boasts durability that ensures longevity. The binocular draw tube adds a touch of sophistication to the design, making it comfortable for extended periods of use. The attention to detail in the construction is evident, reflecting a commitment to quality. Equipped with a powerful magnification range of 40x to 1600x, this microscope allows users to delve into the finest details of specimens with unparalleled clarity. The combination of WF10x and WF16x eyepieces, along with 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x objectives, offers flexibility in magnification, catering to a diverse range of scientific and educational needs. The integration of a 7-inch or 9-inch display elevates the user experience to new heights. The digital capabilities of the Aliexpress SPTV provide a seamless transition from traditional microscopy to a modern, user-friendly interface. Capturing and sharing microscopic wonders has never been easier. Number 2. Aliexpress EDM602 Digital Microscope. The EDM602 boasts a sleek and compact design made from durable plastic, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Its portability is a standout feature, allowing users to take the microscope wherever their curiosity leads them. The monocular draw tube design enhances ease of use, and the 178-degree real angle of view provides a comfortable viewing experience. The achromatic objective lens delivers clear and sharp images, ensuring precise observations across various applications. The LED light source illuminates specimens effectively, and the microscope's ability to capture both photos and videos adds a layer of versatility to your scientific endeavors. The magnification range of 1500x to 3000x is impressive, allowing users to explore intricate details not visible to the naked eye. Whether you're examining coins, delving into the world of biology, or engaging in intricate soldering work, the EDM 602 offers the magnification needed for diverse applications. Number 1. Aliexpress EDM 501 Digital Microscope. The EDM 501 boasts a sleek and portable design, making it incredibly easy to carry and use on the go. The plastic construction feels sturdy, and the black color adds a touch of sophistication. The monocular draw tube is comfortable to use and offers a real angle of view of 178 degrees, providing a user-friendly experience. The EDM 501 is loaded with features that make it stand out in the world of digital microscopes. The high-definition video microscope theory, coupled with the impressive magnification ratio ranging from 1500x to 3000x, delivers stunning clarity and detail. The LED light source ensures well-lit specimens, and the achromatic objective lens enhances color accuracy. One notable feature is the ability to take both photos and videos. This versatility is a game-changer, allowing users to capture and document their discoveries effortlessly. The EDM 501 truly empowers users to share their microscopic findings with the world. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for more product videos.